Hey, hello everyone. I think it's working. I don't know how you want to clap. We think we have a lot of delay. Today our internet was a real mess.
Yeah.
We lost it like for 4 hours in the middle of a game jam, so it's a bit. It was just an extra bonus challenge, let's say. We phoned to the company that managed the internet for our region, and they told us that there was an issue on the network and that it would be resolved after 3 hours 57. So they were extremely precise on when it would be resolved. So, welcome, you're the first again, yes, RZR.
Is everything good? I just want to check the delay situation because the stream that I'm modding right now is like 1 minute delay. So I just want to check. So I will clap because I saw those people doing it.
Take care.
So I will clap. So tell me when you hear the clap. Are we good?
Okay. Meanwhile, I'm always thrown off by the video that is there.
Okay, it's like 10 seconds.
Okay, we are good. We may have stuff. Thank you for the clap. We may have stuff that doesn't work. We got affiliated in Twitch in the middle of the Ludum Dare, and we have thousands upon thousands of settings to configure in Twitch now, but we could not stop the creation of the game to do those. So everything is kind of working, I guess, but it's not the final form. So we will speak about those much later. There's many more options in the streams now. But let's go to the game, I guess.
I guess, yeah. I can show you what I did a little bit.
You want to go to your screen?
What I designed? Yeah, sure. Task. So I finished, some of you already were here. I finished, not the desk. I finished the office. I did the characters. The main character, the boss of the office.
We see your screen for now.
Yeah, I will show you. Here's the office, finished version. I worked with Blockbench. This is the first time I'm working with Blockbench. I really like it. Normally I use a lot of lately I use Blender, and I really like Blender too because I can make complex shapes and everything. It was challenging to do all the models just with blocks, just with like a bunch of squares and they're the same thing, squares and rectangulars, yes. So, but I really like the program. It's very easy to use. The animation was super easy to do. That's why we kind of choose this, because we wanted to make animation while the main character, I will show you just in a second, while he's moving. So it was important for us that we choose a program that is creating the animation very easily. So this is the main office, and I will show you simply just a second. Main character, yeah. Oh.
Could not open. There's probably a merge issue. Okay.
Oh.
I will have to fix it.
Okay.
We will do that after.
We will see him in the game then.
Yeah. Okay. Then let's switch to the game.
Yeah.
This is the game for now, but we will not launch it like that from Unity. I have a build version already, and I would like to test the build version just to be sure that we don't have sneaky bugs that are coming in the game from building, because sometimes in Unity everything works in the editor, then you build it and nothing works anymore. Wrong game, of course. I have to go to the new game that we made, and Date Night. So we will first test the version which is here. The music will be wrong. So the music, we changed it.
Yes.
But don't pay attention to the music. There's a new version that we didn't build yet. So we will just...
that would be nice to have the music actually. So we judge it.
Yeah, but I have to rebuild.
Sure.
That will take a few minutes.
Tell us if it's too loud, if it's... yeah.
Should be okay normally. So the music, the background music changed, but this is the game so far. Date Night.
Date Night.
Yeah.
So the theme of the Ludum Dare is deeper and deeper. So we thought about making something a little bit different than physical deeper. I kind of explained it the other time. First we thought about like ocean, going deep in the ocean, or going deep in the like mining, things like that. And then we said, let's just like take it literally and not literally and just twist it a little bit. So you are supposed to go to a date night. Your girlfriend is asking you, are you ready? And you're like, I can't wait. And she's like, when are you leaving? And I'm leaving the office now.
Yes,
but something will happen.
So the game starts with your
Spoiler.
phone. You're sending an SMS saying, or message saying,
SMS.
I'm leaving the office
You
now.
boomer.
And you send the message. That's
I
the main menu.
I don't hear game music.
I can make it louder.
Desktop audio. There is no desktop audio.
Ah,
That's why.
okay, you will hear it now. Yes.
And tell us if it's too loud.
So that music is the old one. We made a
Yes.
new one and we will upload it
Soon.
as soon as we build during the
Elevator
stream.
music. Exactly.
Yes, that was exactly our inspiration.
Yeah,
We wanted
exactly.
to have something that is relaxing on the back because the game may be super stressful. So let's start and see the story unfold.
Haha.
Where do you think you are going? You still owe me 3 minutes of work. Go back to your desk and finish your tasks. Or I will fire you.
Oh my god.
And that's it. That's the game starting. We have to click on the paper on the desk. So we can open the desk and then choose one of the tasks. And this is a task where we have to go to the printer, push the print button, pick up the printed paper and bring the paper to the boss. I'm trying to go quick because we have a timer. We have 3 minutes to finish the task.
Yeah.
But also we have more and more tasks on the desk. See, I have a new task for you. If we have more than 10, we will lose
And
the
we
game.
have 6 for now, so will we lose our own
So
game?
printing complete.
Probably.
Now I have the paper with me and I have to bring it to the boss. And that's a task complete. And the goal is to make as much task as possible. Hey,
Heyo.
hello. A few seconds.
Dude, the hero.
hello, thank.
Hey dude, what's up?
So open the email from Alexi. Here we have
That's
the
the
information of the
complicated
computer, and on the computer it tells you the key that you have to use because you have to use the keyboard.
Yeah,
I have to find Alexi
there,
and then
there she
type
is.
the message. If I make error, I cannot continue.
Thank you. Did you join Ludum Dare, dude? Did you make a game? What's the name
And-
of your game? By the way, we will be streaming tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, other people's games. So don't hesitate to us. Send us like a message from wherever you think is possible.
Yeah,
from here,
Discord or
from
here,
Discord,
or,
yeah.
and we will play
We
your
will
game.
make a submit form, so you can submit your game. So it will be in the game, so we don't get lost in. There are like hundreds of chat and information. So don't hesitate to stay here and no, too much.
The keyboard is
Yeah, I have trouble with those keyboards indeed. Data Knight.
so I'm trying to.
You wanted Data Knight, you nerd.
Sorry.
You wrote Data Knight instead of Date Night.
Okay, this is a task
The
to make
coffee.
coffee. So
Make
I
the
need to
coffee.
go make coffee and add
Yes.
one milk.
We have 10 tasks.
I will be fired soon.
You
I will be fired.
soon. What was it? Coffee
so
and milk?
coffee,
And milk, I think.
and then I have to click
Sugar.
on milk.
It was sugar.
It was sugar.
I don't know.
Ah, but I'm fired.
Yeah, fired.
As we speak at the same time, it's super hard to play. But I guess you speak or I speak and you play.
I play, you speak,
Okay.
I play. But don't shout. You're
Use the
shouting. You're
keyboard.
too excited.
I'm too excited.
Oh my god, in my ears. Okay,
So-
I'm skipping the intro because.
Take the full keyboard next to you. You can really take the full mouse, the full keyboard.
Cool.
No worry.
No worries.
But
Oh, no.
it's just.
Indeed, oh no, we are fired.
So yes, we got fired. At least we can try again. And the second time you don't have automatically we skip the intro, but you can you have a checkbox to start it again. So we are now playtesting, and we don't know if the game is too hard. We don't know if it's too easy. We have to tweak some value.
Decaf and milk.
Okay, let's make decaf and milk.
Coming soon. Decaf.
So far, I feel that
And
the
milk.
tasks are coming a bit too fast.
And then I have to go back and give it to the boss.
I think you should add some other difficulty settings with different timer settings. That's something we were thinking of.
Decaf.
If we had time, We may still do it tonight because we still have until 3 a.m. to finish.
Yeah.
But this will be depending of really what we figure out now. But yes, that's a good idea.
He's drinking so many. Decaf and sugar. Okay, I got it. Decaf, sugar.
So there's only 3 different kind of tasks in the game so far, and we will just leave it at 3 for now because it's already a bit hard to learn them. And the goal is mostly to learn them and have go faster and faster. So once you succeed, if you succeed and don't get fired, you have a score, and we are trying to make the people. Did you put one space too much?
No, that's a bug. We found a bug.
What happened? Start another task.
I don't know. Well, we found a bug. Oh, yeah. I didn't even read.
I will check the. But fail it, so we will see what happened. I will check the video after to see what was the bug. So I will put a marker.
Indeed, yeah.
Because that's what we want to do.
I wrote it and it wasn't saying enter. It should normally, as soon as you finish.
I don't know if
you should press enter. By the way, we have 9 tasks and I have to be fast.
I know what is the bug. Probably you press an extra key and I didn't take that into account. So I have to modify it.
Printer done. Go back to boss. Oh, 10.
10?
I'm almost fired.
yeah, it's a bit hard. I put 12 seconds between.
No, but we are speaking, I think, because of that. Okay, I will make a coffee. It's kind of easy.
10. Decaf.
Come on, quick.
Go, run. Okay, 9.
Okay.
10 again.
Give me something easy.
Printer.
Yes.
So the tasks all have a different amount of point that they give you. So harder task will give you more points. But if you want to avoid to be fired,
I'm fired.
It may be a bit too hard.
No, I think because we are chatting at the same time, we don't completely focus on the game.
You chat, I focus on the game.
What am I supposed to say?
Explain your process of designing.
Yeah, if there's anybody in the chat, tell us what you did. Did you join Ludum Dare? Did you make a game? And like I said, we don't have the submit yet. Since starting from tomorrow, we will play the game.
Yep. Okay.
I'm talking.
You're talking.
I'm broadcasting. Starting from tomorrow, we will play other people's games. So stay here if you want. Follow us. So tomorrow you can submit your game. Starting from tomorrow, also Wednesday. Maybe that's what I did. I don't know. Anyways, Kevin. Fix the website, Kevin. Do your job.
It's hard with you speaking next to me.
I made the sync, yes. I designed the...
Yeah, we did the sync.
I finished the design of the office. It's very nice now.
I kind of like it. Let's make another task. Okay, there's only mail task right now.
Yes.
But it's a lot of points, so it's good.
So yeah, tell us your process. Was it easy? Did you do compo? Did you do the jam? We are 2 persons, so we are doing the whole jam. And how many time left? 4 hours, something like that.
It's until 3 a.m.
Yeah, kind of 4.5, I would say.
Yeah.
4.5 hours, the last. And the music we explained at the beginning, we will change it. I used the website to make custom music, and I like it. I think it's nice, but we will code it after because for now, this is the old one.
Okay, I'm doing good while I'm not speaking.
Yes, that's what I said. So maybe we should make it harder because when you don't speak, when you focus on the game, it's kind of easy.
I think we need more text though, because I'm always typing the same.
Yeah, variety of texts.
Yes,
right?
of those texts in the screen.
Yeah, I see.
Coffee.
Bring me some coffee. Our boss is drinking a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
He's like, okay. I have to stay up late, I guess.
Decaf, sugar, milk. Let's fail it so I can test that the failing is working.
Yeah, the mug is empty.
So I will make a coffee with just milk.
Just milk, yeah. We will see the fail.
So normally it should tell me 2 errors.
What do you think about the sound effects, by the way? Task failed. We didn't hear the sound. Did you hear the sound?
We didn't hear the sound of the task fail.
Yeah. Fail it again?
Yeah.
We will try to hear it again.
You're trying to make me lose, huh?
No, no, no.
Just a cup of sugar.
Okay,
yeah,
yes,
okay,
I
we
heard
heard
it
it.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like.
But now I will lose.
Boom, boom, boom.
I was gonna win.
Until.
Okay. Let's change the music.
Yeah, we can directly. We can already implement the music, new music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it actually.
You just didn't.
I just need to build.
Yeah, you didn't build.
But what am I searching for? Yes.
Music.
Office.
New music.
No, I'm searching for the sink. Haha.
Yeah, the
Here
sink.
is the sink.
That's the kitchen. Yeah.
I hope you like it.
It's not much detailed.
How big is the game? The size? I have no idea.
I don't know.
Very small. It's 74 mega, the version for Windows. And the version for web, I don't have it anymore. So I will have to build it. But it's probably around 50 again, because we will compress a lot.
Cool.
So it's a very small game in size.
I couldn't show the characters that I designed.
I can fix that. I can fix that.
Thank you.
Did you push everything you did?
Let me see the source tree. There's nothing to pull and push anymore.
Okay.
So I guess everything is updated.
Let me push that. Okay.
Synchronize.
There was probably a merging issue in the character.
Possible.
And we didn't fix it. So it's on my other screen. Okay. Yes, there is an issue.
There's an issue.
So I will change it. Show in Explorer. Don't worry, we have everything we need to fix it.
We have
we have the head here, and let's open it in Visual Studio Code. So what I want to do is accept your change. You didn't change it, right? Accept your change.
I don't think I changed it.
Okay.
Since like hours, I would say, because I passed to the boss.
Here you have.
Here you have. Hey, little cutie. That's my first person. Once again, I told you it's the first time I
Show the
used...
animation.
Yeah, I will. It's the first time I use Block Bench. Ooh, it's too huge. Oop. And this is the literally first time that I... Yeah, very basic.
Very basic, but it works.
Just like he's doing something on the screen instead of just like being like a log and hopping in the screen. So yeah, this is it.
You should show the boss too.
Yes, the boss looks like Ron Swanson from Parks and Recreation. Where is it?
Boss model.
Yes. Do I have
on the other
to
screen.
do that? Not really, but yeah, kinda. It resembles.
Ron doesn't have the beard.
No, it resembles when he's sitting in the desk from far away when we sit when we're printing.
In the yes, we can show that.
He kinda thanks,
Nice.
dude.
Let's show that.
Yeah.
So if I go back to
He's
this
the
version,
sitting. It's the sitting model, of course. He's not moving. He's just sitting on his desk, and the only character move is the main character. He's there.
Yeah.
Little cutie.
So this is the new music.
Oh. Yeah, good. Ooh. Vibing.
And we can see here the boss from this angle.
From far away. It's
when we are printing, we can see the boss.
His mustache.
So Togis is the boss and Bu is the poor employee. No,
Why?
we don't have a...
And today I designed a little logo thingy with
sorry.
cute date night graphics.
Okay.
That's it. Is there anything we should fix?
Yes.
Yes. Fix it then.
There's stuff we should check together.
Yeah.
We should check how much points give each task. Okay?
Yeah, that I have no idea.
What I had in my mind, but it was while coding, is that a task, every second that you pass on it, should, for a normal amount of speed, should give you 1 point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I designed it like that while I was creating the task at the beginning, but it was like for me five years ago. Don't pay attention to the quality of the code. The code is very bad, but I focused on having functional stuff and not good stuff. So for now, the email by default is 8.
You type a lot. You waste. Yeah, it's kind of challenging.
So do you think we can do it in 8? The question is, do you think we can do it in 8 seconds? The email
8
task.
8 seconds. Why 8 seconds?
I'm trying to give 1 point per second that you would spend in general.
I see. Let's test.
All the code will be available on GitHub as well, so you can have it, you can look at it, you can build it for yourself. Just after the Ludum Dare, I will post the link as well. But it's really messy, so sorry for that. So let's test. Let's count the time it takes me to make a...
Yeah.
So
write something and...
I click now. You count in your head while I do this?
Okay.
They need a space here.
Well, you took like 10 to 15 seconds.
Okay.
So you can
I
make
took
it
more
10
time
times.
because I saw that there was an issue.
Yeah, indeed. You stopped somewhere.
It should have made it here, the end stat. It was this one, but it didn't take into account my enter. I don't know why. I will try it again after.
Yeah.
So
you took around like...
I think a normal person
a bit more than 10.
would take around 10.
Yeah, let's make it 10.
We make it 10.
And then coffee.
Make coffee is the complicated one.
You have to remember all the ingredients, and it's possibly it's the one that you possibly can make mistake, because once you close the task, you cannot re-see it again.
Mm-hmm. But can I explain you something?
Yeah.
I put different more score when you have to add sugar or milk. Each of those gives 2 points extra.
Yeah, because the basic one
because
is
there's
just
more to remember.
Pressing a button.
So
make that 5. You know.
Yeah.
And then.
But that's okay.
That's what.
And then the rest bigger.
Because when it's a basic one, you just click one stuff. There's not much
there's
to
still
do.
the movement, and the movement takes
You
long
lose
time. That's why it's 5. I think it's too much.
Lose time.
Let's see how much time
much?
it takes.
Or too low, you mean?
Too low.
Okay.
Let's see how much time it takes to just move.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's kind of 10 seconds the whole thing.
Just moving is already 10 seconds.
Yeah.
So I think the basic one should be at least 8.
Okay, 8 and 2 additional, because you have to remember you have to make effort.
Oh yeah.
And it consumes time.
Yes, perfect. So it's kind of the same, but it can be a bit more.
Yeah.
The printing one though.
That one's kind of basic.
It's kind of it's easier than it's much easier than the coffee.
And
it takes as much time. It's the easiest one, but it takes time.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we should put less than both, just simply. Even if damn, I didn't want the intro.
What was the others now? 10 for typing, 8 coffee plus 2 each. Mm-hmm. So it should be like 8
4,
then.
5, 6, 7.
The whole
8,
thing is again
9,
around 10
10.
seconds.
It's again around 10 seconds.
10 to 15.
I think.
Like everything else that you have to move.
Yes, it should be 10, but we should put more point on the others. Or this should be less.
Or 8. I don't know.
8 is the same as a coffee machine
just
without sugar.
Yeah, just going to coffee machine and clicking one button is 8.
Yeah, but you have to
Printer
remember.
is kind of the same thing.
It's more complex. You can click on the wrong one.
You are thinking too much, I think.
Okay. I feel
it's literally 1 point difference in my mind. That's the difference it makes. Do you really want to implement just 1 point?
Okay.
Do you want to go that detailed?
I wanted to have more.
Then let me open my calculator and we just.
No. But what I wanted is to have the coffee machine more points than the printer, even if it's just coffee or decaf, because.
According to what are you calculating then? Then there's a lot of variety that you put your calculation into, and
the basics
make
is
it 10 then. 10 plus 2, 2.
Okay, I can add 8, 10 plus 2, 2. That's
Yeah.
good.
For each additional stuff, if you make it correct, you
Because
get a good score.
and I agree with that, because the coffee machine is really the hardest task, because that's the one you can fail.
Mhm.
The others you cannot fail it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Even if you make mistake in the typing, it makes you, it tells
It
you,
makes you correct
so you
it.
correct it. You just
Yes.
lose a bit more time, but it depends if you're writing good or bad. So it depends on the person
mhm.
in a way. But the other task, it doesn't depend on the person. It's always taking a lot of time.
Yeah, it's always taking
Anyway.
time. So actually you can when you play the game, you can choose the task you want to do.
Mhm.
Because when you open a task, you can say, I know I don't want it to do it now, put it back on the desk. So the good stuff about that, it allows you to strategize. So for instance, this is an email task.
Mhm.
I can say not now and then open another one, email as well, and this is a printer. So people can strategize like that to try to optimize. I don't know what I wanted to say about it, but
Hey, I think your brother was here at some point. Me, Bojan.
yeah, he
Oui,
sent me
sorry.
SMS
I almost said his
a few time ago to say
Ah, cool.
that good luck for the jam.
He didn't say hello.
Hello, if you are
We
there.
didn't know he was there. I just saw his little stream avatar. That's how we know. That's how we sneak. Cool.
So-
That's nice of him that he came. Thank you.
Should we test to see how much point we do
Okay.
with those new settings?
Let's battle.
Let's battle.
Who will win?
Okay. Shall I build? Maybe it will be quick to build the Windows version, so we can have it full screen. Night. Select folder. It's building. Yes, okay, it will be quick. Building the WebGL version for the tile page is quite long because it has to compile a lot of different language. It goes from the .NET assembly to C++, and this takes a long time. Okay, you want to start or I start?
You start.
Let's skip the intro.
Yeah. Stretch.
Stretching. Ready, go.
Ready to type. There might be a lot of typing. Alex, directly. Yes. Go.
Did you beat your score Red Dead Night? Decaf milk.
I'm not helping you because we are battling right
We are battling. Decaf milk and go to the desk. 22 points already. Printer.
That's why you put plenty points so you can make high score. No, let's appraise the points.
At the beginning I wanted, well, I will speak after,
Yes.
but remind me that I had an idea about the point.
Focus on the game, yeah.
Not now, let's make more points.
Aha, cheating already.
Not cheating, strategizing.
And then why Borchin is playing less good than Togis? He's cheating all the time, of course.
Okay, printer.
By the way, for people who don't know us, this is Togis, I'm Bu,
Hello.
and we are Tobogis. Welcome and hello.
This is our channel where we do random stuff, but mostly play.
Mostly play, yeah, and design and code and
Decaf sugar milk. That's a good point one.
remember. don't-
Decaf
You will lose with your chitty chatter.
sugar milk. Look at that. How to win.
How to win? How to win by Togis.
62 points already.
Go, 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 go.
Okay. Decaf sugar milk. It's okay. It's okay. Always the same.
He's choosing just the coffee because he knows it gives more.
No, I did some writing, but
Yeah, just one.
I didn't say no to any writing.
Okay. I will excuse you.
But it's just that
Printer. No, don't worry.
I do as I want.
No.
The website is broken again.
Fix it now. Ah, he's struggling. He's struggling.
Yes.
Success.
20 seconds.
Go, 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 go.
The help yesterday. Yes, I did it.
6 seconds.
Okay, I don't have time to do
You cannot
anything.
do much, yeah. 104.
104 is my point.
Nice.
Time to leave. Enjoy your date. So, come in front so you don't have the excuse of being far away from the keyboard.
My turn. Nah, nah, nah.
Let's try that. So,
Am I
104, let's remember.
I'm skipping the intro
Yeah,
because we already know.
It was really a roller coaster to make this game. We had a lot of technique that we didn't think about, etc. What I wanted to say while I was playing is for the score, I was thinking at the beginning to give more points the faster you go. But it was a bit too complicated and not to code, of course, but to explain to the user to make it understandable. So I just trashed the idea and left it a static point per task. And you just win more points if you're just faster, but in a natural way and not in a codified way by the program, because you can make more
I'm
tasks.
trying to go fast, but we will see. Only 26 for now.
It's okay, you have time.
Oh, printing again. Okay, coffee. Let's do that. Because it gives points, huh?
Yeah.
Your trick.
And starting from tomorrow, everyone in the chat, you will be able to play as well and test and give us your score.
And we will play your games too, so stay with us. Not until tomorrow.
Yeah, we really need to make more focus. We really need to make more of the text.
Oh, what? There is plenty. What was that? I had to dash 2 times. This is not wrong. This is not right.
Okay, let me put a marker so I can check again.
Yeah, I have to make 2 space. So it sabotaged me a bit.
We still have some little bugs that's why we are trying.
Yeah, that's how we know the bugs.
Oh my gosh, there's an error and it will not longer announce if someone catch a star. Oh, really? I know what's happening. Okay, we cannot do anything about it right now. Everything that was connected to our Twitch account has been disconnected yesterday because we hit the affiliate status. So I will have to disconnect the program and reconnect it to be able to see it. So I don't know if you will still win money. It will just not write it down in the chat right now. But congrats. It's really a mess because I have like 5-6 different programs connected to Twitch to be able to stream properly. And they're all disconnected and all have 2-factor authentication.
I cannot beat your score. I'm too close, but
84, that's quite good.
Yeah, I came close, but I don't think I can because I have only 10 seconds left.
It's because of the bug.
Maybe
92.
Maybe a typing stuff.
Yeah, 5 seconds. No.
Nah!
92, that's quite good, huh? It's super close.
One more task I could have reached.
One more task you would...
It's fine.
So, okay.
I was trying to understand the 2 space thing.
Let's... I'm really thinking we really need like 5 more different sentences to type because it's not enough. What, do you agree?
Yeah.
We receive a lot of time the same task over and over, the same stuff.
It's the mods, don't
Okay, yeah, I was like, what's that? It's new.
Mods doing their job.
Cool. So. Haha. What can you say?
Where's my waffle? It will come. We will have channel points now that will be called waffles.
We can show them actually.
Ah, yeah,
What
we
do you
worked
think?
with an artist.
We worked with an artist.
She did super cute stuff for us.
On Fiverr, so it's nothing fantastic.
What Fiverr?
No, I mean we didn't hire someone super expensive.
We hired someone from Fiverr. What's that attitude? It's just from Fiverr, it doesn't count. No, they're all artists, you know?
Yes. Where is it?
It doesn't matter. You don't have to hire expensive people.
Yeah,
I don't know what you meant by that.
When you say we work with an artist, it feels like we are...
She's an artist, what do you mean?
Yeah, okay. Anyway.
Doesn't matter.
Where is it?
Insulting people's talents.
I'm not!
Jeez.
I don't know where they are. Emote design.
Boop. Let's focus on your stuff. I will tell you because I don't know. We have so much stuff.
Sub badge. Ah, I have that.
Yes, they're in the sub badge, and then we will use one of them for.
There's your name on it.
It's my name. It's fine.
Everyone knows it.
Everyone.
It's on the Togis.
We are public. We
we
are real people.
We are real people.
And this is me. I have a strange name for anybody to say it correctly.
But you can see it's Bu.
Because I'm coming from Turkey.
So here's the waffle. They are coming, and we have them in
It's too zoomed though.
Higher resolution as well, I think. I hope. So they are coming, the waffles. I don't see the stream, so up.
Yeah.
Just. So but that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's. I want waffle for the next team meeting.
Okay.
That's good, right?
Yes. Order waffles.
Okay. And here we have. They really look tasty. Yeah.
Yeah, indeed. She did a good job. Even if she's from Fiverr,
that's not what I meant. You keep insisting.
I don't know what you
Don't
meant.
worry, forget it. That's not what I meant.
It sounded very twisty.
So, more sentence. Give me sentence. I found one, you find one.
What else? What else can they?
Everyone, you can give us a sentence as well.
Do you have any idea? Help us, because we are doing this since almost 3 days, and our brain is just
fried,
mushed. Literally mush.
Okay, we are in a company, and it's a boring company. So sometimes we are sending a personal email, like to your friends, because people use their company email to do that sometimes. But we can also send a very corporate email to business partner. I need hello, then the name.
We slept a little bit. I've been sleeping since the beginning, sleeping around 4 or 5 a.m. very late, and then waking up around like between 10 to 11. So I sleep around 5 hours average since 3 days.
Yeah.
So I'm extremely tired. My eyes are hurting. My everything is hurting at this point. So I would like to have a nice sleep. Yeah.
Me, I slept quite a lot. I'm not someone who sleeps a lot generally.
You're already a vampire.
But for instance, today I went to sleep around 7 a.m. because I coded until then, and I woke up at 12.
Yeah, midday.
So that's quite a long night sleep for Ludum Dare.
You slept like 5 hours.
5 hours.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah. So 5 hours every night, I would say. That's not the worst. That's not the best though. But some Ludum Dare I didn't.
Sometimes insomnia, so you end up sleeping 5 hours anyway.
Yeah.
So it's not a big deal for me, but I need my beauty sleep.
Very sexy vampire from Vampire Diary.
Ooh.
I hope.
Ooh. Which one? Which one?
I
don't remember.
I remember Lestat.
Who?
But that's the
It's not Vampire Diaries though. You didn't watch Vampire Diaries. I did. Like last year.
Isn't it the same? What's the name of the vampire?
I don't know. Helsinki. Oh yeah.
Isn't it Vampire Diaries?
What's that? Oh jeez. No. Wait, I know that
Wikipedia.
movie.
It's a very good movie.
Yeah, it's one of my. But no.
Vampire Chronicle, not Diaries.
No, that's the book name, I think.
But Interview with the Vampire. Very
Yes.
old movie though.
It's such a nice movie. I love that movie.
Yeah, that's a very cool movie. We should watch it again.
And Helsing, we didn't watch the OVA of Helsing, I think.
No, we didn't.
We should watch
It
that
was
too.
when we wanted to watch it. It was one episode every year or something.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Interview with the Vampire.
That I don't know then.
It's very good. Yeah, Vampire Diaries, I watched it. What was their name? Stefan? And then it became super boring at the end, and it was a bit teenagey anyway. I'm not a teenager anymore. I'm too old.
Diaries? How do you write that?
No, don't write that. Write I'm the sex vampire. Let's date, baby. Wink, wink.
So, do you agree with the
Video
trilogy?
cassette? Oh, jeez.
Wow.
From what year it is?
Recently, my dad is transferring all his video cassette into
Yes.
MP4.
MP4.
And he had a hell of a time to find a reader for them. Because it was... they are all broken all around us. And finally, he managed to borrow one from a friend of his. He was
That live in the same ages with him.
he was supposed to give it back the next day, but I think he kept it for one
Since
or 2
like
months.
a month he's doing that. He's follow Togis. Yeah, I thought about that too, but I don't want to turn the game into just a reclam situation, just marketing situation. So it's just like keep it. Yeah.
We will be judged on this game, so we don't want to make people angry.
Even if we judge, I don't want it. So I really don't know. We are out of coffee. What do we do? We are out of paper. I would like to order. Yes. I would like to order. How do you order papers anyway? 10 pack of paper?
That's good.
You're already having trouble to write it?
Yeah. 10 pack of paper like that?
Is this how you order paper? I never ordered paper.
I don't know, probably...
I don't know. Family size.
That's good actually. Should we put that?
Yes.
We will put that.
I like that one.
Okay.
RZR is trying to write. Well, you will see in the game how good. That's a good one. Thank you. I would like to order a Felili. You have to fix it.
Ah oui, copy paste it what you said.
Family size pizza. Yes.
With 2 L,
Correct.
right? 1 L or 2 L?
No, 1 L.
1 M?
1 L.
Yeah, but 1 M?
Yes.
Okay.
1 M, right?
Because in French, I think we have to.
The more you look at the word, you forget what it means.
It's also more complicated when it's not your main. When it's not your main language.
Yesterday we were arguing about is it cancelled like with 2 L or 1 L.
And then we realized.
I was saying it's 1 L, but the other one was saying 2 L. No, it doesn't even exist.
Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so it has only 1 M, but 2 L.
2 L, yes.
So that's confusing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Switching between languages after 3 days of Ludum Dare. We are speaking how many? 3 languages at the same time?
Yeah.
English, French, and sometimes Turkish.
Yeah.
It's very confusing.
Let's force the reply email for testing them. And I will test them.
Mm-hmm.
And let's try to reproduce the bug you had.
Yeah.
Just speak German and everything is fine.
But you're speaking English too, so it's 2 languages.
Half of my colleagues are speaking German, and sometime in meeting they start speaking German. It's very, very hard to follow, almost impossible. I know a bit of Dutch, and German and Dutch have some similarities, but even Dutch I'm very bad at it. So
me, I speak 3.5 languages. English, my own language, Turkish, French, and a little bit of Dutch. And I would like to, once I'm okay with French, I would like to go back to Dutch, Flemish, because we're in Belgium. Dutch, they are offended when you say Dutch, actually, so it's not the same language. It's not because of being
but me, I
offended.
learned Dutch. So.
But yeah, I did learn like both because our teacher was Dutch, but we learned it in Belgium, so it was Flemish. But he was saying stuff like, this is the difference that in Belgium we use this, in Netherlands they use that, so we kind of learned both.
Sized.
But let's say, pizza! But let's say that I learned Flemish, yeah. And yeah, I would like to go back to that. There's no
space.
There's no space, yeah. I would like to go back and learn it again, because why not? And it's super easy because I already know English. The structure is like German, but there are a lot of words that are shared with French and English at the same time. So actually you kind of know half of it, you know. Why not learn it fully and use it? Because when we go to Dutch part or Netherlands, we're just like,
it's very sad because I learned it at school for 2-3 years, and I lived in the Flemish part of the country for 1 year as well. And at those time, I was really able to speak much more. I was able to not handle the conversation, but I was able to order food, for instance, or order a ticket of train to go somewhere. Very basic conversation. I would say the 10 first year of my professional life, I worked in that part of the country. So I got better and better at understanding, but mostly business talk. But I'm not having the vocabulary to speak, and that's
normal life.
I will be able, like you, Erzier, if I read the text, I will be able to understand most of it, not all of it, but maybe 65%. But if I try to make a sentence, it's not possible, and it would be nice to change that.
Yeah. So soon I will be speaking 4 languages, and him too. Totally. No, you will be speaking 3 languages. And you have a little bit of Turkish because you would like to speak to my parents as we are married. That would be nice.
I learned it for a few years.
You learned it, but you really forgot
But I forgot everything.
Yeah.
And I was speaking still a bit better before we had the pandemic. But now that we don't see your parents at all anymore and that I don't hear any of it, I'm losing everything of it.
You need to go? Okay.
Okay, have a great day.
See you tomorrow. We will be streaming and playing games. Others' games.
We will not make it much longer here. We will go back out and finish the rest offline.
Yep.
I guess we still have a bit of code and
just a couple of hours left, so we will try to polish everything. Will you join the Will you join the next Ludum Dare, Togis? What do you think about it? It's in October.
October, yeah. If we are in Belgium.
I will. What do you mean by that? If you are in Belgium, are we going somewhere? Hey, he has a surprise holiday in his mind.
No, but we were thinking to go see your parents. So we don't know when we will be able to leave the country.
We should not go after October because it's Christmas. I have a small design business where I sell my designs, 3D printed designs to customers and shops and stuff. And it's Christmas, but everybody buys stuff before Christmas sometimes. Like it starts already end of October, November, something like that. Some people buy early and they already go to shops and the shops are ordering more and more, and there is really a lot of loads of work for me. So after October I literally just don't do anything, just print, design, send, post, package. So I don't think I will be there in 6 months with you. If you need to do it in October, probably you will be on your own.
Okay.
So probably I will do
Or
it like...
with people from our community.
Yeah, of
Haha.
course. Alone, I meant I will not be probably their next edition because it's... You're pranking us? You're not leaving? I think it was like, you are too smart, so I'm going.
Okay, okay, yes.
Don't go. We will try to be less smart.
They seem to work. I didn't get them all.
I received... Yeah, this is good.
I'm fired.
You're fired.
I should actually go back to the main view when we are fired.
Yes, that's true. To the top view.
Yeah, that's super easy to do.
Yeah. We don't have... We have desktop audio, right? Yes, cool.
Switch camera. Let's test. I feel kind of dumb because I only speak English and German, and you guys, will start to speak 4 different languages. Well, you already speak 2, so that's really that's a lot.
What happened to me is that I'm an immigrant. I changed 2 parts. I came to Belgium. I didn't know the language of Dutch, French, anything. So what happened is that you have to already have minimum 2 languages to be able to speak, to be able to adapt to a new country. That's what happened to me. So I had to learn 2 languages extra. I already have my own mother tongue. Mm-hmm. On top of that, English, I already knew English. So, and then I learned Dutch for 1 year because I was an Erasmus exchange international student. So I already learned Dutch, which is like, that's why I'm counting it half, because I don't remember anything. It was like 10 years ago when I was in university, when I was in college. So that's why I'm speaking a lot of languages, because I had to change countries and I had to adapt. If I would be still in my own country, would I speak 3.5, 4 languages? I doubt it.
I think it really depends where you are from, and as with German as a main language, you can already go everywhere in the world, and most people speak German in tourist location. It's a very widely spread language. For us, if I go to any country and I start speaking French, most of the time they will not understand me, but maybe they will make fun of me as well. I don't know, it depends on the country.
I don't know, French is also a little bit
it's a little bit, I think it's less than German and English. German and English are really the two.
Let's Google.
Okay, Google time.
While you fix stuff,
most international language. But there's no shame of speaking less or more language. I think it depends of your... It's like everything. It depends of your life experience. Okay. So it's working, huh?
French is higher than German.
French is higher than German.
That's what they say.
Wow. That's surprising because...
or this website is bullshit.
We used to travel a lot. I was lucky enough with my parents to travel a lot when I was young.
Let's see. Okay, the top...
Let's go to your screen.
Top rank percentage of the world population, and Mandarin is the... Is this correct? This is correct, right? Yes, 11.9, almost 12% speaks Chinese, Spanish, English, Hindi, Bengali, Portuguese, Russian.
But that's first language.
Top languages, but then it should be the secondary language. Then
that's not the same as See, for instance, I don't speak as first language English, but a lot of people speak it. I don't know how to explain. Most international language?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Most spoken second?
German is one of the hardest language in the world. Yeah. I learned a little bit about how you conjugate, etc. because in high school I was learning Latin, and apparently you have kind of the same concept of really a lot of different, I don't know the name in English, but way to to put suffix at the end of words and to accommodate them together, etc. That's what they were doing in Latin as well, and I think you do the same in German, and that make it super confusing for everyone outside.
Yeah, the Dutch, for example, Flemish, they said that the way you construct sentences is the same as German. So, yeah, it was kind of easy though. I don't know, because we already knew English, so it was easy because you already knew the words and you already knew the kind of context of even if you didn't understand fully, you already knew the context of the sentence that the other person is saying or you're reading and stuff like that.
And you have special letters, yes, but a lot of language has very special letters. So
indeed, we too in Turkish.
It's kind of the same actually in Turkish. That the one you just wrote right now, two of them are the same in Turkish.
There is ö, there is ü, there is
and
there is something that I don't even know how to pronounce, like something like
You don't know how to pronounce.
No, on his own text, it's hard to say because you don't pronounce it. You say a word for it because it's impossible to pronounce it. So it only happens as a word. You can pronounce it in a word, not on its own. So it's very confusing. It's hard, and as soon as I have a different keyboard, I cannot write anything Turkish because we don't have the international language. So
Imaginary say I was just looking at learning Russian, and apparently you can put the words in any order. I just changed the emphasis. Oh, that's
just like Asian languages. I think in Korean and Chinese and Japanese, if you use a word before, was it them? I think it was them that there are like tatake, for example, and you can change ta and put it different, and you have to have according to, sometimes they have the common word, and according to how you say it, how you emphasize it, it's a different word. So you know that it's a different word from, because I said tatake or tatake, something like that.
That's not the order, that's the intonation.
But I think they have something like that too, that they have word, like literally like sounds, and they construct sounds and make, according to where you put the sound, it makes completely different word or something like that. I think it was that one of those languages, but I'm not sure. I might be butchering their culture. I'm sorry for that.
It's funny because I really remember one of my earliest real memories is me being alone in the corridor of my high school, of my primary school, and I was thinking to myself, because at that time I didn't know any language in the other language, but I knew that as soon as I would go to high school I would start learning a different one. I was thinking to myself, but how does it work? Do you just replace the word and put them in the same order, or do you change the structure of the sentence completely? And I remember thinking about that when I was very young, maybe 10 years old. But the answer at the end is it really depends on the language, and it's amazing. For instance, between French and English, there's absolutely no difference. I'm done for me.
Okay, we are done.
I just need
the game is fine.
You can test.
Sure.
We need to figure out bug.
But there's no bug until now. Did we see any bug?
I put 2 bugs with a marker, but to investigate them, I will have to be offline.
Yeah,
because it's coding, hard code. So it really depends on the language. For instance, between French and English, the structure of the sentence is completely the same. As we said, we don't want to make promotion inside the game right now, so I will not add a button. But people that will join by themselves on the channel, we'll let them know. Maybe if we continue to work on this game and make more tasks, etc., then we will add those stuff. You mean for everyone else? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's what I was saying. And so between French and English, the word position is almost exactly the same. The structure of the sentence is exactly the same. So it's not confusing to switch from one language to the other one. But when I learned Turkish, they reverse, for instance, some preposition.
Yeah.
So, for
To make
instance,
it poetic.
instead of saying I ate an apple
That's
because
why-
I was hungry,
Yeah.
they will say I was hungry because I ate an apple.
No.
Because I was hungry, I ate an
we
apple.
speak like Yoda sometimes.
Yes,
Beautiful you are. You
Yes.
know? It's like when I speak English sometimes I speak like that because I'm just like trying to translate it in my mind when I'm tired from my own language, you know, my mother tongue. So Simone is Togis is sometimes like, why are you speaking like that? You speak like Yoda. You put everything on the wrong order.
and that's even the still the easy settings to switch language, because then you can go to the language that don't even have word and verb.
How many
But-
times? I have more than 1 minute and I have six tasks. Okay, maybe I can win this game.
I hungry, apple I ate. Exactly.
Coffee. He wants a coffee. So yeah, languages.
Language.
Languages
Fun.
are hard. Or easy, who knows. I had to learn 4 languages because I am an immigrant and I had to do it. It was my hustle, so
68. No bugs so far.
no, everything is going good. For people who don't know, we are testing the game to be sure that there's no bugs and doing finishing touches and balancing the point system. There's just okay. Let's write something. I will type. Please order more bags. Please, our company is bankrupting.
Okay.
What do you think so far about the notification, but sounds, effects, and the music itself? By the
Anyone
way,
in the
when
chat
we are in
room?
the game, we cannot change it.
Yeah, you can
so
press
if
escape.
it's too long, if it's too high,
You can press
they
escape.
have to quit the game and then yeah,
No, you can press escape. See?
escape. Yeah. You go
You
to
press
the main.
escape and then
It
it.
stops your seconds and stuff. It pauses
No,
the game,
no,
right?
it restarts the game, but you don't have to quit the program.
I see. Can
Ah.
you do it as that it just stops the game and you can continue?
And
Like
then I
to-
have a
to
continue
S-
button or restart button here instead of I'm leaving the office now.
No.
How do I leave the possibility to the?
To escape,
Does nothing for now.
you are pushing F1. That's
Does nothing for now.
yeah.
You have to press the button.
Yeah, because it would be nice while you're in the game, and if it's too loud, you shouldn't. Maybe you were doing good, you know. Just
Yeah.
because of the music, you lost the good progress. you
But then
just
I
made.
need to leave the choice for people to continue or
Yeah, maybe here like
continue.
Yeah, continue or restart. Yeah, you're right, but not there. Here.
Okay.
As
She's
a-
showing on the screen, but I will do it.
Here. I'm showing in because this is we should not touch here. This is really the intro of the game.
Mhm.
So if somebody quits the game just to change the sound because it's too loud or it's too low, if they made a good progress, let's say that I'm like 50 seconds away from winning the game and
Uh-huh.
making a high score, just because I changed the sound, it will crash and you have to restart the game, which is stupid. So you should I'm sorry, I didn't mean it like your code is stupid.
No, yeah, I know.
It's silly of a game if it does that, and never they do that. So here there should be like, once you press escape and change change these, played with those, you should be able to go back,
Yeah. Okay.
restart
So-
or continue, whatever.
I need also a button here somewhere then to go to the settings, so because people will not know you go.
Yeah, maybe
So a cog,
just
for
a little
instance.
one, like yeah.
So okay, let's write task, otherwise we will forget.
Still, there's a lot to do. It's last 3 something hours, but
Go menu, change sound settings, plus button continue, plus main screen button cog.
a gear icon, yeah, like
Yeah,
settings icon, yeah,
a gear
or
icon.
a burger or something.
Isn't it? It's the same, I think.
Cog is
Yeah,
the same.
cog is the same as a gear.
Or a burger, simply just 3 lines.
Yeah, okay. We were speaking about the same with 2 different words.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will be my next task.
I will design that.
I have some. I have plenty
Oh, okay.
from previous Ludum Dare.
The things that you already designed yourself.
Yeah.
We should not take other people's graphics.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Perfect.
Reuse them then. What do you think? Should we quit and
Yeah, I think we will quit and go back to
hardcore focus?
to hardcore focus.
Yeah.
But it was fun to spend time with the stream.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming. We will stream much more in the coming days. And instead of playing our games, we will play the games of everyone that participates to Ludum Dare. Well, not everyone.
Everyone.
Not everyone,
I'm
because
not sure about that.
I don't know how much game there will be, but probably 5,000. But at least everyone that wish us to play their game.
We will see.
We will try.
Do they say that how many games is here? Sometimes.
Yeah. I can show
Sometimes
you
they
for last
remind
one,
you.
for instance.
And in their main page, I think it's possible to see.
I can show you here. So this is the current one. We don't know yet how many, but if you go to the previous 47 result,
Or games, maybe.
stats, there is a button to see it.
Ah.
Number of emission 3,000.
Yeah, okay.
3,000
so
last
we will see
time.
tomorrow, because tonight people are still submitting. It's the last hours, and tomorrow we will see how many games. So no, we will not play 3,000 games.
We're still the first subscriber for our own.
Huh?
I don't know what you mean.
What?
I don't think we have any subscriber
We
right
didn't
now.
subscribe. Maybe it's automatic. Twitch does it for you.
We didn't set up anything about the subscription.
No, we didn't touch anything.
And we don't have any subscribers, so
Sorry, you're not the first.
Probably.
But second is already good.
I would say wait a few days at least, so we can be sure that everything works.
No, probably everything's fine.
Okay. Cool.
Voila. Thanks for coming. Yeah, probably that's what happened.
Twitch subscribed to us automatically. We are automatically subscribed to ourselves.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Go back to work.
Go back to work. Last 3 hours. Chop chop.
I think that's very related to our nice posture in the.
Oh yeah, work's not meant to be fun. And then the other
and
one
then
is
the
like
other one here.
Just next to
Loafing time is over.
just next to the coffee machine.
Okay, time to go. Thanks for coming by,
for coming,
and see
guys.
you in the coming days, I hope.
Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Gute Nacht.
Gute Nacht.
Gute Nacht.
Yep. And then what
See ya,
else?
imaginary. I don't know.
Who else? I don't know. And we have England people, which is like good night, good evening, and that one is easy.
Gute Nacht. I don't know if I pronounce it
You
correctly.
got the
but
last star. Good job.
good job. And I have to fix the star system.
Yes,
Remind
we
me.
have to fix everything.
Okay.
It's the first day of affiliation. We will see. Bye bye.